Ever wondered how to turn this into this? Ghibli-style artwork has a magic that feels both nostalgic and timeless. Have you ever looked at a Studio Ghibli scene and thought, how did they make it look so magical? The gentle colors, the calm characters, the dreamy worlds. It's like stepping into a soft, animated memory. I'm sure you've seen those magical Ghibli-style images going viral on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, and you're probably wondering, how are people making these without being professional artists? Well, good news. In this video, I'll show you how to create Ghibli-style images and videos step by step using free AI tools. Let's dive in. First way is from ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT account and make sure you're using the GPT-4 model with image generation enabled. Click the three-dot menu in the prompt box. You'll see two new options, Image and Canvas. Select Image. Now you'll see a text box ready to accept prompts. Let's try. Ghibli-style animation of a boy with a backpack standing under a cherry blossom tree during sunset. Hit enter and give it a few seconds. Boom! The artwork is ready. Look at that color, look at that lighting, Ghibli vibes, no doubt. But what if you want to tweak the image? Easy. Just type a text command like, remove the tree from the background. ChatGPT will regenerate the image. Just like Photoshop, no drawing skills needed. Now here's something even cooler. You can upload your own image and turn it into Ghibli-style art. To do this, click the plus icon, choose Upload from Computer, and select your photo. Once uploaded, go to the text box and type, turn this image into a Ghibli-style animated artwork. Wait a moment, and there it is. Your real photo turned into a dreamy anime scene. Perfect for profile pics, story posts, or YouTube thumbnails. Another fantastic way to create Studio Ghibli-style images is by using the OpenArt platform. To get started, simply visit the OpenArt website. Once you're there, click on the Upload button to add your image. If you don't already have an account, you may need to sign up. It only takes a minute. After uploading your image, click the Generate button. Within seconds, your image will be transformed into a beautiful Ghibli-inspired piece of art. The results are absolutely stunning and capture that whimsical, magical Ghibli vibe perfectly. However, OpenArt does have a limitation. You can only generate around 3 to 4 images per day for free. If you're someone who wants to go beyond those limits and create unlimited Ghibli-style images, don't worry, I've got you covered. Head over to grok.com, not to be confused with other platforms, and sign up using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be able to upload any image you like and generate as many Ghibli-style artworks as you want without paying a single dollar. Just click to upload your image, type in a simple prompt like "create this image into Ghibli style" and hit generate. Wait a few seconds and your transformed image will be ready to download. The results are just as magical, if not more. And the best part is, you can keep repeating this process as often as you like. Upload, prompt, wait a moment, and done. It's fast, fun, and completely free. Whether you want to reimagine your photos, create fantasy-style scenes, or just explore your creative side, this is a perfect way to do it. So what are you waiting for? Create unlimited images using these methods and show your creativity. Now, want to turn this beautiful Ghibli-style image into a stunning animated video like this? Let's bring it to life. Just like a Studio Ghibli scene, I'll show you how. Head over to Kling AI or PixVerse AI. Both are free AI tools that let you animate images. First, let's go with Kling AI. It gives a generous amount of free credits to get started, and the results are truly cinematic. Once you're on Kling AI, log in or sign up if you're new. New users get around 166 credits right after signing up, which is enough to generate a few high-quality videos. From the dashboard, click on the Video tab on the left and upload your Ghibli-style image. Now comes the most important part, writing the prompt. This is what guides the animation, so the more vivid and specific your prompt, the better the results. Here's the prompt I'm using. Slow camera pan from left to right, cherry blossom petals falling, soft breeze swaying the branches, warm sunset lighting, cinematic depth, peaceful anime atmosphere inspired by Studio Ghibli. This tells Kling to animate the scene with gentle camera movement, subtle wind effects, and a magical sunset mood, just like something from a Ghibli film. You can tweak your prompt however you like, maybe change the camera movement, the lighting, or add elements like rain, fireflies, or snowfall. Be creative. Now adjust the settings to your liking, such as duration, resolution, and camera path. If you want a full tutorial on creating ultra-realistic animated videos from images, check out the full guide on my channel. I've also linked it in the description. Once your prompt and settings are ready, just click Generate and let Kling do the rest. In a few minutes, you'll have a cinematic AI animation created entirely from your still image. Here's how mine turned out. Notice the motion, the light, and the mood, all created with zero manual animation. It genuinely feels like a moment from a movie. So in this way, you can use Kling AI to turn your Ghibli-style images into videos, and yes, the results are absolutely stunning. The animation, the motion, the cinematic touch, it really brings your artwork to life. But let's be honest, there's one major problem. Kling AI takes way too much time to process. Sometimes it feels like you're just sitting there, waiting, staring at the screen, hoping your video will be ready soon. And for creators who want to move fast, that delay can be really frustrating. But hey, don't worry, we've got you covered, because now we're moving to our next AI tool, and it's called PixVerse. Trust me, this one's going to save you a ton of time. Let me show you how it works. First, open your browser and go to the PixVerse website. The link is in the description below to make it easier for you. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and choose your Google account. It's fast, it's simple, and within a few seconds, you're in. Now here's the best part. PixVerse gives you 60 free credits every single day. That means you can create 3 animated videos per day, absolutely free. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, just sign in and start creating. All right. Once you're inside, click on Upload Image and select your Ghibli-style image. After the upload, move to the prompt box and describe your scene. For example, a magical night where a brave young girl stands beside a mystical dragon, their bond glowing under the starlit sky, gentle wind, soft expressions, and a dreamy fantasy vibe. Once that's done, some awesome customization options will appear. First, set the duration of your video. You can choose how long you want it to be, short and sweet, or a bit longer, up to 8 seconds to show more detail. Then enable auto sound. This feature automatically adds background music to match the vibe of your scene. It's subtle, but it makes your video feel cinematic and polished. You can also explore additional settings like animation style, movement speed, and even visual effects. Play around with them to get the exact mood you want. And once you're happy with everything, just hit that big create button, and boom, your video will be ready in just a few seconds. No more long waits like Kling AI. PixVerse is built for speed and efficiency, and that's exactly what makes it a game changer. Let's go ahead and check out the video we just created. Look at that. The animation is smooth, the visuals are clean, and the music adds a nice emotional touch. You wouldn't believe this was made in under a minute. So here's how you can use this to your advantage. Use any AI art tool to create beautiful Ghibli-style images. Then bring those images to life using Kling AI or PixVerse. Finally, upload the videos to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. This method is completely free, super fast, and it's perfect for content creators who want to build their brand, grow their audience, or even start earning through monetization. Just imagine uploading magical short videos every day. People love this kind of content. It's relaxing, aesthetic, and eye-catching. So if you're serious about content creation and want to turn your ideas into scroll-stopping visuals, try these tools today. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more AI tools and creative tricks. And hey, check out our other videos too. We've got tons of tutorials, tools, and ideas to help you level up your content game. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.